My 67-day plan. If you open up my study material, this is my 67-day plan for O levels. Okay, not for any like IGCSE or other syllabuses, for O levels. Now I will tell you how you can fit this for the other syllabuses. Okay, but to explain this 67-day plan. Okay, now first off, the title 67 days. This is the new 2026. We should not have this, but we do. Okay, this 67 days has happened to be the one I landed on after carefully thinking which topics should someone do in a reasonable amount of time. Okay, next, this topic refers to the topic in my notes. Okay, let's open up my notes file. You will find these everything in my notes. Wow, so cool, wonderful, looking like a wow. Okay, and the brackets represent the candidate syllabus topics. Of course, these geometrical construction, scale drawing, similarity, symmetry, this 4-point thingy, like here, see, and what to do, and the past paper thingy. What does this mean? When I say do topicals of paper 1, paper 2, paper, do this, do that, that means do topicals of 20 to 25. Okay, I might like rephrase this a bit, so that's why. So why do I have like such a tight schedule in teaching? Okay, what if someone does not understand a topic right away in one day? Well, about that, every day is meant to be 3 hours of study. Okay, 3 hours of study. Yes, that's a overkill. Okay, if you want to get a star, but if you are very weak, okay, then that 3 hours will be grateful for the very least. Okay, but if you are good, you can go to 1 hour, 30 minutes, whatever. Okay, just that you do topicals. Okay, the 3 hours, okay, mostly is topical work. Okay, and theory can be done in like 30 minutes. Okay, I will try to make videos about every chapter in this, teaching every topic in like some simple amount of time and not like in 20 minutes stuck at one point. Okay, so yeah, that's why I have it like a tight-ish schedule. Okay, so that you guys can do topicals very in a good amount of time. Okay, now you may see me breaking up topics in like very distant days. Okay, if you agree or disagree to some of these, then tell me. Okay, so here I have like example for day 1. In time, you might do paper 1, paper 2 in one go, and then for like later algebra, you might do paper 1 along with theory, and then later you do paper 2 altogether. Okay, why do I think this is like this? Well, it lets you see the calculator use also and be familiar with the questions. Okay, question types also. So like sometimes you may do paper 1, yes, you get a gist of paper 1. Then when you turn to paper 2, some of it will be same from paper 1, but then some would be completely different from paper 1, like needing to use a calculator or not being able to use a calculator and just your algebra. Okay, so that's that. Like especially for the geometry chapters and mensuration chapters. Yes, the mensuration is a tight squeeze. Okay, I think. Okay, after looking at it again, but I think you can do mensuration in mensuration quickly. Okay, that's why I added one more day to mensuration if you did not do topicals in time. Okay, that's why. So like in trigonometry also people also struggle. So I added one more day for topicals. Okay, which is like kind of me. Very kind, I know. And like, yeah, vectors. For vectors, I think I might remove this and switch it out for something. I don't know, because or just keep it in because people struggle a lot with vectors. I see them struggling hell a lot with vectors. Circle properties. Okay, that's not the correct word, correct thingy for it. Circle theorem, I meant. I might add another day for it because people do not understand this stuff, like literally. People are starting a cult to stop it. And the rest is chillax. Okay, now for the fun part, mixing it with your extended syllabus. Now, why did I choose to make my stuff oriented to O levels? Because O levels has the least amount. Okay, I saw the other syllabuses and it's just O levels but with extra steps, basically extra chapters, if you will. Like if you see here, these are the extended notes for IGCSE. Okay, the link in PDF page 3 okay covers this. Okay, this is the extra stuff you need and you cover in IGCSE. Okay, so how do we fit that inside our 67-day plan? Well, I will just quickly tell you how do you fit in IGCSE inside your inside your crash course. Okay, well, differentiation, this is covered in functions. You should do this along with function chapter. Okay, so because it's the same thing, you work with bits and you work with polynomials, so differentiation is also polynomials to this level. Okay, add maths is another thing. Okay, and then trigonometry, of course, in the trigonometry chapters, in the trigonometry, okay, like you might fit in 6.3, 6.7 inside somewhere in here. Okay, you might just fit it like somewhere, I don't know, in like day 52 or 53 or something, or 51. And in paper 2 topicals, you do all of trigonometry. Okay, very easy. Pythagoras theorem, you can, that's very easy also. In international mathematics, where you just have logarithms extra, for that you might do it in the like after functions as well. Okay, like take at least, now I do not know the difficulty of it, but I think 1 day is enough for it also. So yeah, and so that will become 68 days. Or do logarithms at the very last if you want. Now for okay, never mind, I'm not even gonna talk about it. Okay, but I hope this 10-minute video helps. Okay, one last thing, however, that if you have extra time, okay, that day after your theory and topicals, you can still work on reinforcing the previous chapters that you have like not had the time to do in your 3 damn hours. Bye guys.